Most beginner gardens don't fail because of bad seeds. They fail before the first harvest even happens, and it usually comes down to one simple problem. Most beginners focus on what to plant, but the real success of a garden comes from how it's set up. If the foundation is wrong, even easy plants struggle. New gardeners often rush into planting. They buy seeds without checking the season, the climate, or how much space plants actually need. Then when things don't grow well, they assume gardening is hard. It's not. The setup was. Seeds need time, roots need stability, and plants need the right conditions before they can grow properly. When those basics are ignored, gardens fail quietly, without obvious mistakes. Successful gardening starts with preparation, knowing when to plant, where plants will grow best, and starting with beginner-friendly options. When those pieces line up, gardening becomes much easier. Most beginner problems are avoidable. They just come from skipping the fundamentals. I put together a simple beginner gardening checklist that covers what to do before you plant anything. It helps you avoid the most common beginner mistakes. You can find it linked in the description.